Well, today we are framing Valentine's Day through the lens of a gardener, and not just any gardener. Our very own farmer florist, Antonio Valente, is here this morning with a few suggestions that do not involve the traditional long-stemmed red roses. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but we've got a few creative options this morning for you.
Yeah.
Starting with this is beautiful.
Yes, so this is my Valentine's Day Amaryllis.
Okay. I think of this as a Christmas flower.
It's a Christmas flower, but you can sort of get the tail end of the season at Valentine's Day also.
Okay. How do you present it?
Okay, so this is the Amaryllis bulb that we have here.
Which you don't want to give to someone like that, because it looks like you're giving them an onion for Valentine's Day.
Exactly. It's not particularly beautiful, but this is the flower that it produces.
Right.
Right? Beautiful. Okay, so the way I like to give away my Amaryllis is in sort of an urn, sort of a garden-inspired urn like this.
Yes.
Okay, I've already
very
got some...
pretty. Looks a little vintagey.
Yes, very vintagey. I love that look. I've already got some soil in there, so we're going to just take our Amaryllis, we're going to plant it into our soil, okay? And then we're gonna just finish it off with some of this sheet moss.
Can I help you?
Yes, absolutely, totally.
And this is all pre-moistened?
Yes, it's pre-moistened. Excellent, okay.
It finishes it off so nicely.
Yeah, okay, beautiful.
Great.
Okay, and then the last thing I do, I have another one, I have one here that's a little bit
I like
smaller.
it with the ribbon.
Yeah, I'll just take some satin ribbon and I'll tie the whole thing up and it's ready to go.
Beautiful little gift.
Yeah, all your Valentine has to do is remove the ribbon and then start watering it, and within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll get a flower.
You can do a poem with it like, this is how our love grows.
Will grow and
blossom. Perfect.
Love it.
All right, speaking of growing and blossoming, you've got seeds here.
Yes, okay, so this is my second project, and I thought, wouldn't it be cute to give away sweet peas as like a little paper Valentine?
I love sweet peas. I love how they smell.
Yes, okay, not to be confused with the peas that you would grow to eat or to consume.
No.
Okay, so these are them here. These are sweet peas, and super easy to grow, smell amazing, like you said, and they have that association of being sort of very like whimsical and association with like love. You
see them in
and romance.
bouquets a lot because they trail.
They trail, yeah, so it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I took these craft paper envelopes, these brown ones, and then what I did is I just inserted the seeds into
and you're
these.
saying give this as instead of a Valentine.
Yes,
What a great
yeah,
idea.
Yeah, and I sort of inspired because they kind of reminded me as like those paper Valentines that we would give away as kids.
Cute.
Okay, so you're gonna insert that into your envelope. We're gonna close that up, seal it with a gold heart.
Nice little sticker.
Okay. And then on the front of it, you're gonna write a message. So what I did is I took my computer and I just came up with some messages and I printed them onto some cardstock. And because we're giving away sweet peas, the 2 messages you're going to write on there are...
To my precious sweet pea.
To my precious sweet pea, or we're 2 peas in a pod.
That's very cute.
Adorbs, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
It is very sweet.
Oh, thank you.
Peas.
Okay. So
okay, this is beautiful.
Yes, our third idea here is my garden cloche mini Valentine's.
You're a big fan of the cloche, Antonio.
Love cloches, I love them. Okay, so for this you're gonna need a vintage teacup.
Okay.
Okay, and you're going to then need also a pin frog.
Okay, what is this again? It's a pin frog?
This is a pin frog.
Why do they call it a frog?
Because it goes into water in the bottom of your vase.
Okay, how do you use it?
Okay, so we're going to just set that into our teacup. Okay, right in the bottom of our teacup.
Okay.
We're going to then add some water. How are we doing for time? Are we okay?
I think so. This looks a bit like the brush I use on my dog, but it's a lot heavier. It's got the metal sticks in it.
Yeah.
The pins.
Okay. And now, actually, I'm going to have you do this. So you're going to demo it. I'm going to take some of these tulips. We're going to cut them. Okay. And why don't you try inserting that into the pin frog?
Front, back, side, doesn't matter?
Yes. This is a florist's, a flower arranger's dream.
Oh, this is beautiful.
See how easy that is?
Yes.
And you create your arrangement in there all within the pin.
I've done it before with the cellophane tape, but this is so much neater and so much nicer.
Yes, this is a total, like,
I'm going
florist
to try
secret.
some more. Now, look, I'm onto your secrets now, Antonio.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, this is really great. So you arrange this. This is one that you've done here.
Yeah.
So simple and so pretty.
Okay.
I know, I'm going to do this wrong, but I'm doing it upside down and backwards.
All right, so I have one that I completed earlier.
Good thing, because we don't want to see my finished project.
And we're going to set it on this vintage pink Wedgwood plate.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so it's perfect for
Very
Valentine's
romantic.
Day. Okay, so we have that there.
Oh, and you've added fern.
Yeah, a little bit of fern.
Lovely.
And then we're going to take our cloche.
Now, if you're making dinner for someone, this would be a beautiful centerpiece.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if I was doing this, I'd probably create like a whole series of them and send them down the table.
Oh, that's beautiful.
My fern is maybe a little bit too big, but there you go. Like a whole set of these down the table for Valentine's Day, or this is a great way to spread the flowers around your house rather than having them all in one vase.
So I'm liking this frog idea. Can regular people buy this, or is this just a florist thing?
Yeah, no, you can actually pick that up at a most craft stores or floral design shops.
You always bring us such good and unique ideas.
Oh,
Thank you
thanks,
so much.
Thank you.
All right, stay with us. Your morning will be right back. Okay.